Welcome everyone. This is the second video of this series where we are discussing the reconciliation reference in Financial Accounting Hub. In the last video, we discussed the business example and the data file. Now let us go to the related setup in FAH. Okay, so I will just discuss the related setup, the setup related to reconciliation reference. We need to go to this is in the accounting hub, financial accounting hub task list, manage accounting attributes, and there, if you remember the data file, there we had given the text2 as the uh, field which will contain the detailed dimension. So that text2 I'm mapping to the reconciliation reference standard accounting attribute. So this is one setup what we need to do. And the journal line where we want to track the additional dimension, in that journal line we need to go and ensure that in the journal line setup the reconciliation reference is rightly populated. So this is the two setup which are additional setup related to reconciliation reference in Financial Accounting Hub. Additionally, I would like to show one more mapping. This is not related to reconciliation reference, but just this will help us to see the accounting in the future when I do down the line in this video series. So if you remember, in the data file we showed that receivable or revenue we are storing in the text one, right? And we are using a mapping set to derive the GL natural account. So if text one is revenue, then account natural account is 44 and the rest of the segment what we have here. If it is receivable, then the natural account is ending with 8. So that's one more setup. So this is the setup related to reconciliation reference in financial accounting. Now another setup what we need to do in GL to clear the to use the reconciliation reference to clear the account is manage clearing accounts reconciliation. This is basically a template where we have to define like which account for which we want to track the reconciliation reference. For an example, we want to track for this is the account ending with 8 which we gave as a receivable account in the mapping set. So that's a next setup. Again, this is not specific to Financial Accounting Hub. If we want to use any reconciliation reference in GL for a standard subledgers also, we need to follow this step. So that is it related to the configuration. Okay. Now let us go to the data file import. I have already created the zip file. For the day one, I am uploading the file now. The data file what I had showed in the last video, that is created in the zip file. I am uploading that to system. Now it will take a bit of time to do the create accounting, so I am pausing the video. I will come back once the process is complete. After uploading the file, we need to submit process import accounting transaction, and we need to enter the data file here what we uploaded to the system. Submit. So this will take a bit of time to complete the accounting. Okay, so now the create accounting has completed. We will go to the manage journal, and I just queried those accounting which got created. So we can see the application here is NAS, that's a source, that's a custom legacy system which I have named it. And now we can see the accounting here. The natural account ending with 8 debited 20,000, debit 15,000, credit 35,000, and the reconciliation reference has been stamped in the journal line. Okay. So after importing the journal, after importing the transaction for the day one, now accounting has come to GL. At the end of the day, let us say management would like to know okay, for this specific customer, what is the balance? What is the outstanding balance? Then they can go to this place, reconcile clearing manually, and there we can query for the specific customer name here. This is the customer reconciliation reference. Okay. Once they query this, they will get the outstanding balance. Now, for an example, if they want to query for the customer 20, right? So this is 15,000 outstanding balance. So this is one of the use what we can do. If we track by the general, the natural account, we cannot get the dimension-wise outstanding balance. But if we use the reconciliation reference, this kind of tracking we can do in Fusion Financials, right? Now let us upload the day 2 transaction. So let us do the file import for Financial Accounting Hub. And then we will run the scheduled process. The file is uploaded. Now let us run the scheduled process. So let us submit it. Now it will take a bit of time. So till then I will pause the video. Okay. So the accounting is complete now for the day 2. So we have the day 1 as well as the day 2 accounting in Oracle GL now. Okay. Now we come to there are two ways of doing the reconciliation. One is automatic and second is manual. So I'm doing it manual right now. So I came to that window and for that particular template, I just queried. So it showed me all the lines with the accounting reference, reconciliation reference. So let us reconcile now. So this one, this one, this one, and this one, right? Once we do the automatic reconciliation system, the activity what I'm doing right now, system will do on its own, but I'm doing it manually just to show you how does it help. Now, once I do, so once this matches debit and credit, the reconcile button gets enabled. So let me click on the reconcile. It's done. So after running the reconciliation process, now if you want to know that what is the outstanding balance for the customer, right? Let us query. It will show no as of now. So whatever reconcile, whatever outstanding is there, that we can come and see. And this we can achieve by using the reconciliation reference. And how we can use reconciliation reference in context of FAH, I think we have just gone through the complete process from the start to the end. I hope this video is useful. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.